Most organizations don't fail because they lack lean training. They struggle because training rarely translates into real project execution and measurable results. Learners often start with enthusiasm. They complete courses, pass quizzes, and show excitement. Yet projects frequently stall during application. Scope becomes unclear, root causes remain weak, and countermeasures fail to stick. Continuous improvement leaders then bear the burden, chasing deliverables and reworking stalled projects. To address this, EMS Consulting Group developed a structured 90-day capability pilot. This model validates adoption, completion, project quality, and measurable outcomes before scaling. It ensures training leads to real, impactful results. Each pilot begins with a simple readiness baseline and clear cohort selection criteria, ensuring the right projects and the right participants are in place from day one. A typical pilot involves a cohort of 10 to 20 learners. It includes certification learning paths and detailed progress reporting. Kickoff and closeout sessions frame the pilot experience, all designed to drive accountability and clarity. The pilot also features CI Navigator, an on-demand coaching assistant. It supports learners during projects by enhancing A3 quality. It strengthens root cause analysis, improves countermeasure selection, and builds sustainment plans. This tool helps prevent project stalls and reduces bottlenecks for CI leaders. The results are clear. Higher course completion rates, stronger project execution, and measurable improvements in cycle time, defects, and capacity. All tracked through a simple pilot scorecard that tells a clean story to leadership. If you're responsible for operational excellence and want a practical way to launch lean capability in 90 days, I'd be happy to share the pilot model and what we measure. If it's useful, we can also set up a short conversation to see if it fits your organization. Use the link below or visit lean-training-online.com and contact us.